The time after a cancer diagnosis is often filled with questions, fears, and the search for hope. While it may feel like a race against time, carefully considering all available treatment options is important. Your doctor may offer you a choice between standard treatments or investigational drugs. Investigational drugs are only available by participating in clinical trials, which often test new treatments or combinations of treatments against current standards. So why should you consider participating in a clinical trial? Clinical trials offer patients and their doctors opportunities to explore new treatment options that may be more effective than current standards, providing additional choices if your cancer stops responding to current treatments. Participating in clinical trials may or may not improve your health. However, participation can help advance research for future cancer patients. There are resources that may help you access clinical trials. Patients often face difficulties accessing healthcare, and participating in a clinical trial may require traveling for treatment and undergoing additional scans, which can lead to extra costs. However, there are ways to manage these obstacles. Take this patient. He recently met with his doctor and learned he was an ideal candidate for a promising clinical trial at a hospital 5 hours from his home. He discovered the study could cover his travel expenses, making participation possible. This patient was able to participate in a trial at her local hospital where she received reimbursement for childcare expenses during required scans and oncology visits. However, not all trials cover these expenses, so it's important to discuss these details with the research team before deciding to enroll. Ask your doctor about whether a clinical trial might be an option. Your doctor may or may not offer a clinical trial as a potential treatment option, so it's important to start the conversation with your healthcare team with questions like, "Are there any clinical trials open?" Or, "Do I qualify for a clinical trial?" Joining a clinical trial is a decision that can be made at any stage of your treatment journey. It's not just for advanced cancers. It's a choice that embodies hope, not just for yourself, but for the future of cancer care. If you are interested in learning more about clinical trials in your area, start by talking with your doctor. Visit jax.org/patients for questions to ask your doctor about clinical trials, and more from the Jackson Laboratory's main Cancer Genomics Initiative.